Hi friends, today we are continuing the calculation of final accounts in respect of Mrs. Ravin and Sons. In the last video we found the trading account and found the gross profit as 76,520. Next we are going to make the profit and loss account. As usual, we take the gross profit on the credit side of profit and loss account. Gross profit is 76,520. Next, we may first fill the debit side. As per trail balance, as we marked, interest is going to the profit and loss account, salaries also profit and loss account. Then we copy the interest as 3,000. Then salaries, we cannot write the salaries on the amount side because as per the adjustments, it is given that outstanding expense salary is 3,600. Therefore, outstanding salary to be added with the given salary in the trial balance. 12,000 plus 3,600 equal to 15,600. Next, advertisement is given at 1,200. Next entry in trial balance is machinery. According to the trading adjustments, as the last sentence it is given that before the last sentence it is given that the amount of machinery reduced to 48,000, that is after depreciation it is 48,000. In the trial balance, machinery is 51,000. Therefore, depreciation is 51,000 minus 48,000. That is 3,000. That is the depreciation deducted from machinery. So, amount of machinery reduced is 3,000. Next, printing and stationery comes to the profit and loss account, which is 1,200. Next, debtors is 76,000, where bad debts is given that 1,920, and as per adjustments there is given that write off 2,000 as bad debts. Therefore, the bad debts written off is 2,000. Next is given that create a provision of doubtful debts 3% on debtors. So when we calculating provision of doubtful debts 3% equal to sundry debtors minus bad debts written off into 3%. That is 76,000 minus 1,900 minus 2,000 into 3% is equal to 72,080 into 3 by 100 is equal to 2,16,240 by 100 is equal to 2162.4, which are rounded as 2162. Therefore, provision on bad debts 3% is 2162. Next, rent is given that 4,000, but as per adjustments there is an outstanding rent of rupees 3,000. So adding both, we get 4,000 plus 3,000, 7,000 is the expenditure. Next, as per adjustment, a new adjustment is given that charge interest on capital 5% per annum. We know that the capital is the investment made by the owner, by the company. So as earnings from the investment, they can take interest on the capital. So that is an expenditure for the company. That 5% we can calculate as per trial balance. It is 51,000 is the 1 lakh is the capital amount. Then 5% of 1 lakh is 5,000. So it is an expenditure that amount to be given to the owner of the company. Then another term is sales discount. Discount is given that 2080. Discount given on the left side is sales discount. It is an expense. So now we have entered all the entries on the debit side. Next we may go to the right side. As per trial balance, RDD is given that 1,600. We know that RDD given on the right side is a security deposit made by the creditors. So it is an income for the company. It should be reflected on the profit and loss account. Therefore RDD is equal to 1,600 we write on the credit side. Next, as per trial balance, commission received is 2,800. Now on the credit side also we made all the entries pertaining to the profit and loss account. Now adding on both sides we get credit side it is 80,920, debit side it is 44,162. Debit side is less than credit side, so it is again profit. Now net profit is 18,920 minus 44,162 is equal to 36,758. Now you understood that the company is on profit. The company has a net profit of 36,758. We will see again in the next video to calculate the balance sheet. See you.